Welcome to another iPaceOwner breaking news, and this is all about Pivi Pro. If you've got Pivi Pro, I've got great news for you. And this is from a post from Damien Dinning on the Facebook group. Damien was a member of the Pivi Pro team, and it's the announcement of OS 3 for Pivi Pro, which is now rolling out. I know people have actually already got this. And the key thing on Pivi Pro 3.0 is it actually supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. There's quite a few other things as well. They've changed the way the screen looks, which is kind of cool. So they made it easier to navigate, and they've also changed the default way that it reports consumption. So it's now, instead of being kilowatt hours per 100 miles, it's now miles per kilowatt hour, which is a lot more sensible as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, this is really good. It should be rolling out now. If you've got Pivi Pro in your car, if you're a model year 21 and above, then you should be getting this, or 20, I think actually as well. Some late 20s had Pivi Pro as well. But model year 21 above, you will be getting Pivi Pro 3.0, and it should be on its way to you now. As usual, these rollouts are done in batches, so it may take a few days to get to you, but you should be seeing it. Anyway, hope that's useful.